What's up guys, it's Diamond Mine and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Again, my name is Diamond Mine. This video is going to be a little different than your norm. So there's a lot of things going on in the hair world that consists of fraud and scheming and just scams, and I wanted to make this video an awareness video. So going on right now, which is March 1st through March 7th, is National Consumer Protection Week, and basically what that is just bringing awareness to scams. This video is being sponsored by MyFirstWig. MyFirstWig wanted me to reach out to you guys and let you guys know about this scam campaign and scam awareness. Now, I have personally came to you guys here on social media as well as YouTube and informed you guys on how to protect yourself when making these investments into these wig companies. Now, anything that you see online, I always suggest that you do your research, read reviews before you pay your money for something. That is very crucial and very important when you are purchasing things online. Now, I have made a video about this in the past because it just really got out of hand. There are a lot of wig companies and hair companies right now that is really promoting, I won't even say promoting, I would say using a lot of YouTubers' videos without their consent and claiming the video content to be their own, which is a complete lie. I know for a fact it is huge on Facebook. So many DMs every day of you guys asking me or informing me that there's a particular company that has been using my video to promote their wigs. And everybody who watches my hair reviews here on YouTube know that anything that I rock or do a review on my channel, all of the detail as well as where you can purchase that unit will be in the description bar. I tell people all the time, if they are promoting a video on social media and you're not quite sure if it's really me wearing the wig in the video, definitely go to my YouTube channel and try your best to find that video of where I am actually wearing that wig. And most of the time how you can find that video is based upon like the shirt that I'm wearing in that video is more than likely going to be the thumbnail for that video. But I highly suggest that you do that if I'm not responding in a timely manner and you're really urgent to purchase a wig. Here are some of my tips that I always suggest that you do before you make any type of purchase. Please listen carefully. Your funds depend on it. Number one, do your research. Okay, do your research. Get on YouTube, search for that exact company and see what videos pull up. And I say YouTube because YouTube will give you the platform of where you can see the hair from the beginning to the middle to the end. You can see several different people's style and give their own input on that particular company. So number one, research that company by going to YouTube, typing in that company name and going from there. Number two, if a wig is costing you $25.99, honey, exit out, okay? That wig is not what you think it is. I understand we're all looking for a deal. I understand we all want to save money, but sometimes the saving is just too good to be true. And most of the time, any wig that's $25.99, $45.99, always double check. Now granted, there are several reliable, credible, trustworthy sites out here where they do have moments where they have promotions going on where you can save a ton of money on their wigs. I'm not talking about those companies. I'm talking about the companies where you go on their website and all of their wigs, all of their lace frontal wigs are below 50 bucks. Okay, if you decide to make a purchase based upon that price, please move at your own discretion. Please do not come onto my video or DM me saying you purchased a wig based upon me being in the video when you did none of your research to make sure that wig in that video that that company is promoting is actually true. More than likely, any type of wig that you get that is not on a promotional deal, that is listed below 50 bucks, is not going to be the wig that you have in your mind for the price that you're getting. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I have had people DM me and say, girl, I bought this wig because you told me it was so bomb in the video, and girl, it's bullshit. Well, girl, first of all, that ain't even the wig that I was wearing. That ain't even the company that sent me that wig that you bought the wig from. So y'all, just make sure you do your research. There are companies out here who are sending the complete opposite of what they are promoting. They are using people pictures, they are using people videos and claiming it as their own. Tip number 3. There are a lot of hair companies that is based here in the US, but there is a ton that is based over in China. Make sure when you are paying for your order that you use a credit card or a PayPal transaction that is going to protect you if in the event you receive an item that was not described that way in the description or on the website. For an example, do not commit fraud if you ordered a wig and you just don't want it no more, so you call your credit card company or PayPal and you report the item. Either A, you didn't get it, B, it wasn't what you thought it was, or C, you just didn't like it. Don't do that, okay? Do file a claim with your financial carrier if the wig that you ordered was supposed to be a 22-inch curly lace frontal wig, but instead you got a 8-inch straight lace frontal wig. That is the time where you actually need to have a card or a financial service that's in place that can protect you as a consumer. Otherwise, if you do some of the things that these other sites that I have seen on their payment forms, such as wire transfer, Western Union, there's some other sort of wire transfer service that I can't really remember, but it's not really, I don't think, a service that could protect you as a consumer. So I always say use PayPal, because PayPal will protect their consumers no matter what, even to the point where it's almost wrong when they protect the consumer so much, because they also don't really give much protection to the business person